This is Hillary Kramer at the Dallas Money Show, and I'm here with esteemed investor Dennis Gartman. He is the publisher and editor of the Gartman letter, and we have a very important question to ask Mr. Gartman. Oil prices. The price of oil is starting to rise. Is that net a positive for corporations in America and for individuals? Who's the winner? Who's the loser?
Well, the loser is the consumer. There's no question about it. There are some energy companies who will profit by it. It depends on what the crack spreads do as to how the refiners will be able to accomplish the task. But on balance, high oil prices are always detrimental to any economy anywhere. Where's a reasonable price? If you could get WTI back to $55, maybe $60 a barrel, producers will be happy because they can make money at that. Consumers will be happy, they can live at that. But when we start to get to $85 and $90 a barrel, it's detrimental to the global economy.
Now, but can't the our frackers in the Midwest really start to catch a bid and produce at that price?
You want to be at this price. The bet that you want to make is that fracking will continue to be an expanding industry. So you want to be a buyer of the things that frackers need. Perhaps you want to buy sand. Perhaps you want to buy pipe. You want to take the position of who made the money during the gold rush. The guy who sold pans, the guy who sold Levis, the fellow who sold mules. Not the miners themselves, not the panners themselves, but the fellow who made the pans, the fellow who supplied the stuff to the miners of 1849. You want to do the same thing in the fracking business. You want to own the suppliers of sand and pipeline.
Okay, now, in the Middle East, price of oil starts to rise,
yes.
Means their economy improves, the Middle Eastern culture takes the money that they expect to receive on oil and they spread it out in a number of different investments. Does that provide a benefit to us, and does that provide a benefit in terms of peace, prosperity within the Middle East?
It provides a benefit to our equities market. It provides a benefit to our capital markets. Does it provide a benefit to the public in general? Probably not, okay, unless they own a lot of stock. But is the average fellow who goes shopping at Walmart going to be benefited by rising crude oil prices? Absolutely not. He's going to be badly served. Will it be beneficial to the societies in the Middle East? Likely not. If there's one thing we know about the societies in the Middle East, they are terribly hierarchical in nature. That money never makes it down to the second and third tier of society. It always stays within the royal family and an expanding royal family. Or in Iran, it stays within the Revolutionary Guard and the religion. So does the broad populace, does it benefit by rising oil prices? Absolutely not.
Okay. Dennis, thank you very much. We have been talking with Dennis Gartman. He is the guru and king of commodity investing here at the Dallas Money Show. And thank you very much.